Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to connect data using CData Data Connector in Bold Reports. You will see how to connect and retrieve data from a data source using the CData Connector, and how to integrate them into a table. First, let me create a new report. Create a new report, and name it CData Data Report. You can see how to create your first report in another video. I have provided a link to it in this video's description. Next, create a data source using the CData. Click the data icon in the configuration panel. Then click the New Data button. In the Data Sources configuration panel, choose the CData connection type. In the Name field, I enter the data source name, Customer Details. In the Server Name field, I enter the field value. The Port field specifies the port number to access the CData remote server. By default, the port number is 3306. I enter the port number. In the Username field, enter the username. I enter the password in the Password field. Then enable the Save Password option, to embed the credentials within the report. I click the drop-down icon and select the North Wind database from the list of databases displayed. To connect the data source with the connection string, click Advanced Options. The Name field, Username, Password field, and Save Password options are auto-filled from the basic options. The Connection String field allows you to enter the connection string to connect to the CData database. Here, see the connection string value filled from the basic pane. Connection strings are text representations of connection properties for a data provider. If the database is on your local computer, specify connection strings like this. If the database is located in another server domain, specify the connection string with credentials like this. Next, select the type of authentication to authenticate the CData database. Authentication is selected, by default, and you will be asked to enter a username and password. The prompt authentication type shows a prompt that allows the user to enter the username and password while previewing. The none authentication type is used when the authentication details are provided in the connection string. Now, let me connect to the database and create a dataset. In the Basic Option pane, click the Connect button. The Query Designer page will open. It contains a Query Designer surface, toolbar, and preview area. The Query Designer surface is where queries are set up. It contains text-based modes to create SQL queries easily. I changed the Name field value to Customer Dataset. In this demo, I'm going to retrieve customer details. I enter the SQL query to extract the customer details. Click the Run button, and the extracted details will be displayed in the preview area. Now, click the Finish button. A data set will be created. Expand the data set to see the fields present. Now, I'll add a table and assign values to it. Drag the table from the Item panel to the Design area, and add the necessary columns. I assign values to the header row, and format them. Then assign values to the data row, and format them. When I click the Preview button in the top panel, you will see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the table. In this video, I have shown you how to create a data source using the CData Data Connector, and how to add the retrieved data to a table in Bold Reports. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on Bold Reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.